Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. This is my final year project, the theme of which is real-time data monitoring and remote controlling for multi-node network. The hardware equipment, as you can see here, it comprises of a master-slave network. So let's start. This is slave 1 equipment. This is the master side, master unit, that comprises of wireless transmitter, and here is slave 1 that is there to monitor temperature. There is the slave 2 that performs the cooling operation or controlling operation. Here is the LM35DZ and thermocouple probe, two different temperature sensitive devices to measure a wide range of temperature. The value of temperature is sent to the microcontroller, and which is converted into digital data, and then it is sent through Ethernet cable to implement RS485 standard and received by the master side microcontroller. Now this microcontroller saves these values and sends these values through the Ethernet cable through hyperterminal onto the computer to display the value of the temperature. So now you can see here is wireless transmitter. When the temperature rises above 40 degrees centigrade, the wireless receiver at here turns this cooling unit on, which is basically a fan for the prototype development. Here is the battery provided here so that we can remotely place this unit anywhere around where we want. This is the RF receiver, and here is RF decoder that decodes the received signal, and flip-flops over there to achieve the toggle switch application, and relays are connected there so that we can connect the high voltage lines, and so 4 equipment can be connected. As you can see, the 4 relays are provided here. The thermocouple probe is basically used to measure a wide range of temperature that may range from up to 1200 degrees centigrade, and 35 just from 0 to 100 degrees centigrade measure. And here is A to D converters that receive the analog values and convert into digital data, which is here provided the microcontroller unit. And this is Ethernet cable for implementation of RS485 standard. And here just we turn on, and let's start the proceeding. And now I turn on the master unit, and now we can see that here at the hyperterminal window we can see the statement is written there. Now I press a character to receive the temperature from LM35 thermocouple. Here you can see the temperature value is very high because ADCs are not adjusted. They need to be momentarily grounded by reset pins, and now we can see the accurate values of the temperature you will find over here at the screen. And you can see I press the character, and 20 degree, almost 19 degrees centigrade is the accurate temperature that I can measure here. So now I am going to provide a heat and raise the temperature of the thermocouple and the LM35 so that I can measure the temperature onto the screen and see what happens when temperature rises beyond 40 degrees centigrade. So here I am trying to hot it down, as you can see. Now I will show you. It is still going to get a heat, so that temperature rises beyond a suitable value. This is the hair dryer I employed here. So now you can see the temperature has risen above 40 degrees centigrade, and the cooling unit fan is turned on here, and it will remain in this situation until the temperature goes down below 40 degrees centigrade. And now I will try to monitor it on the there. You can see 41 degrees centigrade, and cooling unit is turned on just 30 degrees centigrade, and cooling unit goes turned off. As you can see here, the fan is off. So this is the demonstration of our project.